What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be breaking the 2016 Bowman Chrome. Just got it today. Haven't tried this product yet. Got a lot of good reviews, so we'll see what's up. I think there is, let me see here. You get 2 Chrome autographs, 5 cards per pack, 6 packs per mini box, 2 mini boxes per master box. So this is the hobby box. So you'll get 12 packs, 5 cards in each pack, and you're guaranteed 2 Chrome autos. So that's pretty cool. So let's break this open. Let's see what we got. I don't know if I've been trying to get a Gary Sanchez. They're like through the roof now, price-wise. Autos, obviously, but I don't. I'm assuming he's in this. I know he's in the 2016 Gypsy Queen. So I'm a Yankee fan, so that'll work. All right. So we'll do one at a time here. Put that to the side. Let's see what we got. All right, let me see. So 6 packs. Take them out. Go pack number 1. See where we're at. Steven Gonzalez, Taylor Gurria, DJ Peterson. These aren't numbered or nothing. James Shield, Trevor Story, rookie. It's a nice one. Take that. Set him to the side. He had a monster year. Okay, I'll go to the second pack now. Flip it over. It's not cooperating. Second pack. Austin Ray, Manuel Marget. So you're getting a lot of these AAA guys and rookies and newcomers, I guess, in the beginning. Then you got a Dallas Keuchel purple. Yep, purple number to 250. Dallas Keuchel purple, number to 250. Jose Barreros rookie, Nolan Arenado. So that's a nice hit there. The Arenado, number to 250. The Keuchel number to 250. Sorry. All right, no auto yet. Pack number 3. Yudi Garcia, Josh Boers, Yarlin Garcia, Bowman Scouts Update, Top 100. These aren't numbered. Reese McGuire. This is like the Arizona League. So, this one's numbered. Reese McGuire, numbered to 50. Reese McGuire. Pittsburgh Pirates. And then you got Jose Fernandez. All right, so nice hit there. Reese McGuire. Guess he's an up-and-coming guy. Got a 15 out of 50. Cody Bellinger. Forrest Wall. Out of the gate, Aaron Nola. Is that numbered? Nope. You got a Chris Bryant. It looks like a refractor. All right. Some kind of a Bryant refractor. Not numbered. Maybe that's just his base. I don't know. Yeah, it could be. It could be just his base. It's not a refractor. And David Price. All right, 2 packs left in this first mini box. No autos yet. Mendez, Antonio Santillan, Yadier Alvarez, first Bowman auto. Never heard of him, but Yadier Alvarez. That's the first auto. Then you got Aaron Nola and Ho Park. All right. The last pack of this mini. Round it out. Gleyber Torres, Harold Ramirez, Cody Bellinger, not numbered, Dustin Pedroia, Evan Gattis. All right, open up this second one here real quick. Hopefully Yadier Alvarez is going to be a superstar one day. That'd be nice. And I'll be able to say, bam, Yadier Alvarez, there he is. Got him. Yeah, we'll see about that. All right, first pack. Yarrow Barris, Zach Irwin, Alex Blandino, Arizona League, not numbered, Jacoby Ellsbury, and Hunter Pence. Shane Dawson, Todd Hankins, Robbie Cano, Aaron Blair rookie, and Jamison Talion rookie. Let's see, none of these are, no, there we go. The Cano is numbered to 499. The Cano is numbered 88 out of 499. Right. Just a little refractor there. Next pack. Tyler Alexander, Ryan Williams, Kevin Newman, top 100, not numbered, Ichiro and Chris Sale. None of those cards are numbered. 3 more packs left. Waiting on my second auto, my last auto. Austin Gomber, Jose Adams, Ben Lively. Ben Lively is numbered to 250. Ben Lively of the Philadelphia Phillies, purple, numbered to 250. Albert Almora and Francisco Lindor, superstar for Cleveland. Those are not numbered. 2 more packs. Where's the auto? You got Mark Marshall, Willie Adams, Jordan Stevens auto. Don't know who the hell Jordan Stevens is, but this one's actually numbered too. 447 of 499. Jordan Stevens auto. Numbered to 499. Hopefully he's going to be a good one too. Mookie Betts, Michael Conforto rookie, who has struggled with the Mets to say the least this year, up and down from the minors, back up now with the expanded rosters. Last pack, Hunter Renfroe, Ben Lively, my buddy again, Taylor Ward. I didn't realize there was so many rookies and AAA guys in this. David Ortiz, Craig Kimbrell. Nothing numbered. That's it, boys and girls. I picked this up on eBay for 59 bucks, which is a pretty good price. Seems like that's what you can get it for. These were the two autos. Yadier Alvarez and Jordan Stevens. Alright, so the Alvarez was a base, as it's not numbered, and the Jordan Stevens is numbered to 499. And I had a couple other hits in here. The Ben Lively purple, the 250. The Robbie Cano refractor, and he was to 499. As you can see. $4.99. All right, boys. You could check this out on YouTube. Oh, I forgot about the Keuchel. I'm sorry. Keuchel purple. It's 250. I'll have this up on YouTube. Take a look at it. Nothing too exciting, but they're cards, and they kept me away from crying babies for about 15 minutes, so I'll take it. Catch 23 cards, CATCH23 CARDS on eBay and on YouTube. Next time, bye-bye.